Uploading a WordPress website to HostGator involves migrating your files and database to your HostGator hosting account. Here's a step-by-step guide. Back up your WordPress website. Export your WordPress files from your existing server by downloading them via FTP or File Manager. Export your database from your previous host using phpMyAdmin by selecting your WordPress database and clicking Export. Log into HostGator cPanel. Log into your HostGator account, then access cPanel. Upload WordPress files. In cPanel, go to the File Manager. Navigate to the root directory and upload your WordPress files. Use the upload button or an FTP client like FileZilla to transfer files. Import the database. In cPanel, navigate to phpMyAdmin under the Databases section. Create a new database, then import your exported database by clicking Import and uploading the SQL file. Update the wp-config.php file. Open the wp-config.php file in File Manager. Update the database name, username, and password to match the new database credentials from HostGator. Point domain to HostGator. Update your domain's DNS settings to point to HostGator's name servers if not done yet.